for joining us for another unboxing video. We've received one box this week and we've had it sitting quarantining for the past week. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. I think this is our fourth shipment. They're starting to come in slowly but surely. So hopefully there's some new and exciting things inside and we're not too far behind. Oh, it's already looking exciting. Okay, clear all this packaging away. I see a good mix of items in here, some talking books, DVDs, and some adult fiction. So we'll start here with a large print copy of Lisa Gardner's When You See Me. A non-fiction on Trial for Reason. Phaedra Patrick, The Secrets of Love Story Bridge. Adele Brown. Karen Robards, The Black Swan of Paris. Looks like a historical fiction, The Queen's Secret. Viola Shipman, The Heirloom Garden. Dead Land. And The Gilded Cage. So for our talking book fans, we have Credible Threat, Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good health habits and break bad ones. We Will Rise, a true story of tragedy and resurrection in the American heartland. This Is Going to Hurt. And we're on to DVDs. We have, an old classic. It's a Christmas one, The Holly and the Ivy. So you might be seeing this one come out a little later in the year. And newer, The Gentleman. Oh, we have a paperback copy of Baby Teeth. I've read a lot about this one. Wow, no thank you. Only one children's book this week. Oh, it's not even a children's book. It's for moms, Your Mom. A little book for mothers and the people who love them. And one more nonfiction, Younger Next Year. So we hope to see you in at the library, and just a reminder, bring your face mask if you have one. It's starting to be the new normal at all the shops in town, so we hope to see you soon.